Hi, I'm Sierra. I'm 26, and lately I've been thinking about the kind of person that I want to become. Not in the dramatic way that I'm changing my life overnight, but somewhere between graduating, starting my 9 to 5, and settling into the same routine every week, I realized I was spending more and more time thinking about the life I wanted than actually building it. I want to become the kind of person who says yes to things, who learns new skills, who chases adventures, who does hard things. So I figured I had to start somewhere. And this week, that somewhere is training for my first half marathon. So I signed up for the half marathon that is happening in October. And for anyone who knows me knows I hate running. Last year I did run a 10K and remember saying that this is enough and there's absolutely no reason for me to ever run further than this. But here I am now. Signed up for a half, which is 21 kilometers, which seems very, very far.
It was so hard. I'm so tired.
But recently I've been thinking about who I want to become, and I feel like the last 2 years I've been still and just maintaining the routine and the life that I have and not really expanding or growing. So I thought I really need to challenge myself this year and do something that I really don't want to do. As an average gym girl who is always bombarded with plans in the summer, starting to train for this half has been hell trying to balance it all. Between work, strength training, and the spontaneous plans that come up, I feel like I'm always out and doing something. But one of the reasons why I decided to sign up for this half was to make sure I spend the least amount of time rotting on my phone and make sure I actually go out and do things.
Pardon the background noise, the dishwasher's running. I got home from the gym not too long ago and I want to show you guys what I made for my meal prep for, I guess, tomorrow lunch, maybe dinner. I don't know, we'll see what I'm gonna eat for dinner. But I found this really good recipe, don't mind the mess, online. It's for like this honey garlic chicken, but I made it before and it was so good, so I'm very excited to be eating this tomorrow. And then I also made rice. I was going to make Brussels sprouts, but then I started cutting into the Brussels sprouts and there was literal worms in them, so I threw them out. But I just wanted to show you guys the meals that I've been eating. I did forget to film literally everything today and yesterday, but I had tortellini soup, which was really yummy. I think I have some extra in the fridge. Let me see if I have any. It doesn't look very appetizing in here, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks gross right now, but it looks better when it's like warmed up. But it just has sausage, tortellini, spinach, and then sweet potato. Having a very chill night. Nucky and I are just watching soccer basically all night. I still have my Japan and Netherlands decorations up from when I hosted a watch party for them. Japan just got out. Don't talk about it with Naoki, but the Netherlands is still in, so we'll see if I'm going to keep up this banner so I can support them. But they're playing tonight and I'm probably going to watch it. But for now, I think I'm just going to read a book. I'm reading Red Rising right now. I started that book a while ago and then I didn't really get very far, and I'm reading it now and I'm like, I don't know, maybe in like the second chapter, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, it just sounds so wild from just like picking it up after not remembering anything that was happening. But I'm going to try to get back into it. Today is a holiday here. It is Canada Day and I want to go on a run today, but a huge heat wave has just hit us here in Toronto. So running at 9 a.m. means that I would have had to run at like 29 degrees and we're not going to do that. So it's currently 6:30, trying to beat a little bit of the heat. I feel like it's still going to be hot. At least I won't be dying and baking in the sun. Just go run. Also, my hair is too short to put up right now. I'm either gonna have hair coming down here or hair coming down my back, so it just looks really funny.
so hot now. I'm sweating so much.
Are you confident?
Wait, I can
Half. I just don't know how confident you guys are. Yeah, I can jump. But I think that's already too high.
Eating my oatmeal, and I have some blueberries as well. Yesterday was Canada Day, and we were supposed to have people over just for the day to hang out. Now, you know, we're sitting in our apartment, we're like, hey, it's kind of hot in here. Our AC broke in the middle of a freaking heat wave. It was 36 degrees yesterday, and we didn't have AC. So I was like, guys, like, there's no way that everyone is gonna come here and we're all gonna be dying in this heat. So we ended up having to move the party to my friend's place. Thank God someone else was able to host. So we just had like a really chill day hanging out with our friends. And tonight I'm going back to my parents because this weekend I am heading to Prince Edward County with my friends. I wasn't thinking during the start of the week how my week was going to look with my workouts. So on Monday I did upper body, and I honestly probably should have thought it through, because now, since I won't have access to the gym Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I had to do a lower body day on Tuesday. I did a run yesterday, and then today I'm doing another lower body day. Really annoying on my part, but definitely could have been avoidable. So I just have to make sure that I'm actually planning out my days based on what I'm doing this week. I do want to do a run when I'm in Prince Edward County, because I ran twice this week. I'm gonna bring my shoes. Maybe one of my friends will come with me. I will ask them if they want to come. I feel like they're gonna be like, hell no. But it should be nice. It's still hella hot this entire weekend, so hopefully I can get up early enough that the heat isn't too bad, but we'll see.
So this week was my first week trying to balance workouts, my runs, and my busy summer schedule. I do think in the past I would really struggle with fitting everything in because I would overthink on how to do it all. I would think, well, I have dinner tonight with my friends, so going to work out after work isn't going to give me as much time as I want to get ready. When in reality, I could really just work out for a bit less time or wake up earlier to leave work a bit early. But none of that made sense to me. It's like I was paralyzed by an imaginary clock that was telling me I can't fit everything in. But with this series, I'm trying to change that for myself, to stop thinking and just do.